Ndewonu, afam bụ Onyinye Udenze Ugwu. Abụ m onye Ngwo Enugu North Local Government of Enugu State. Agụrụ m Estate Management na Institute of Management and Technology Enugu.
Afam bụ Igbosimba Chinenye, abụ m onye Anambra State, na-eje dị n'Imo State.
Aha m bụ Nwaada Ofiannedimma Vivian. Abụ m onye Ogbuagwe nke dị n'okpuru ọchịchị Udi Local Government Area of Enugu State.
Afam bụ Ogbonna Somtochukwu Stephen. Abụ m nwa akwụkwọ nke Igbo Tech City Hub. Abụ m onye Enugu State n'ime Nkanu.
Afam bụ Chiene Vivian Chidimma. Abụ m onye Uzowani Local Government Area of Enugu State. I'm a graduate of psychology from Enugu State University of Science and Technology.
Aha m bụ Nwaada Amoke Mesoma Clara. Abụ m onye Umezavuru Ovoko, CHIBUEZE South Local Government, Nsukka.
Afọ m bụ Koyechukwu Nonso Sylvester. Agụrụ m akwụkwọ na Federal University of Technology Owerri. Agụrụ m Mechanical Engineering.
Why I picked interest in this scholarship, that the world is moving digital. Tech is the future, and the future is now. So I felt that orugo the stage, mmadụ kwesịrị ịhapụ otu ihe dị banye na the latest trend, especially trend ịmakwa nọ ebe ụwa na-aga. Ụwa fugo na analog, anyị nọzi digital. So mgbe m for opportunity to apply, afọ m ya na Instagram na page Voice of the East. Ebe ha direct to WhatsApp community ha. Ebe ahụ ka m for ya for the first time. Where apply ya. Then when I got the news that I was picked, I screamed. Anọdụ m in public self. I was so happy, very, very happy. And it's a wonderful experience so far.
Currently, eji m ụmụ ịtọ. Eji m akwụkwọ na UNN. I round them off, though I deferred. So, can see where you mentioned pick data analysis, but now when put secondary school come computer appreciation, and then since then I've been in love with operating the system, brainstorming, solving problems. So when for about the application for either coding or data analysis, naturally I went straight for data analysis. Makana I'm with it as an outfit, it suits my personality with gathering data, research, asking questions, finding out things in general. So that's why I picked data analysis.
What inspired me to learn data analysis is where tech is going to, where the world is going to now. It's revolving around tech.
What inspired me was that during my 200 level in ESUT, there was this friend of mine that a classmate of mine, yes, her name is Chinenye Grace. She was always telling me, hey Vivi, there's this course they call cybersecurity, this and that about tech, that we should go into it, we should learn. And then during those days, I was always eager to learn about them, but I didn't have the financial aid. Remember I told you I come from a family of 8 kids. How do my mom pay our fees and then come and pay extra fee for you to go and learn cybersecurity? Who are you? So I had to, build in my mind that one day I'm going to make it and then come out there and learn anything I want to learn about tech.
Ihe kpalitere mmụọ m ji bịa na program a bụ na ebe na mba ụwa niile kịta bụ tech bụ ihe na-lead all this na-drive economy mba ụwa niile. So m chọrọ isoro ndị ọzọ na-emekwa ihe ha na-eme.
Ihe made me inspire to apply for this tech opportunity, as I call it. But now, when I left school, I found out that the labor market was as analog as it was. So I needed something to upskill myself, to equip myself to do more. And relating psychology, you actually need to be in the tech field, in the tech world, to do better. So
What inspired me to join the Pay to Learn program is the fact that as a final year law student, I'm almost done, and it's important to have a skill. And currently, the world is moving to the digital aspect. Everybody's trying to get into tech, so it's important to just have that tech. And when I have law and tech together, it's just going to be better than having just one. So yes.
I read about the program. Ebe m na-anọ na Genetics Tech Hub, one of my friends gwara m maka the program, so ya nyekwa m aka mee ya apply.
A friend of mine again called me and said, hey, have you heard of this program that Bitcoin Chief is trying to sponsor people on? And I was like, I've not heard of it to send the link. And she sent it. And immediately I had to start coming down to Enugu. And I applied. Even though I never believed it, I thought it was just something people post to just gain likes and all that. Because I feel like most of the things they post online, all these sponsored ads, they are just there for anything. I don't know. So, but when I applied, and after about 2 weeks or so, I was called. Wow. I was very surprised, and I was very happy about it at the same time.
Can see where Matamaka this Pay to Learn program on Facebook, and they follow Voice of the East, Ulundibo, for some time. So it was fortunate that I came online that day on fair, and I applied. Like it was like a dream, especially and double paid to learn. So I'm unemployed at the moment, so I dived in and applied, and fortunately I was one of the people APK.
Initially, I wanted to apply for that was cybersecurity at a tech hub, but the money they were calling was so outrageous. So I think on a fateful day, one of my uncles sent me a link. He called. He said if I wanted to go into data analytics. I was like, anyhow, anything at all. Initially, I didn't know that the course is a paid to learn course. So after applying, I had to go to social media to go and follow all the social platforms. That's Voice of the East. So at the end of the day, I got the scholarship, and it was an amazing feeling. I won't lie, because considering the amount I was told to learn that same course, and now I'm getting to learn it not just free of charge, but being paid. It was like an amazing feeling. So
Actually, I saw it on the Voice of the East Instagram page because I follow them. So I applied.
Can see no maka ihe take this opportunity, but through my friend, I'll send him the link. So at first, I go on the thing, so I was like very nonchalant about it. When I'm busy, go say okay, this thing they were very creative and stuff. So I had to register the link, fill the form, and did the whole task that I was asked to do. And always be here, always be a mayor. Data analysis.
Data analytics.
Data analysis.
Data analysis.
data analytics.
Data analysis.
Bembia, we about data analysis because I develop technological inclined. Okay, Manambia, our tutor, engineer sisters, Chimaijim. Ona muzitera kuzwera dichana data analysis, both matama tools, Excel, SQL and stuff. So now I'm some of these works now as a data analyst.
The most challenging part of it was, transiting from being a non-technical person to a techie. It wasn't easy, and during our classes, my tutor will be like, okay, our next topic is building a dynamic dashboard, and then he tells you to go home, build a dynamic dashboard, and come back tomorrow. We'll talk about it. Yeah. Well, where was I going to get the whatever from? So I had to go home and crack my brain, everything in me, just to know what a dynamic dashboard is or how to build it. So it was very difficult from the beginning, but at the end of the day, he still breaks it down. And then knowing that some of us who are here or who came here have no knowledge of computer or whatever, he had to start from the basics. He broke everything down to our understanding.
For me, the most challenging part of the training, Bona, Nemago, I knew to be like a data analysis prior to this training. So everything I remember is new to me. That was the challenge. I'm not any idea about anything in a data analysis. But then when I started, I found out that it was interesting. And especially with our tutor, or the mado, awful na ichore my hand, he will give you all he has.
The most challenging part of the training was the fact that I am in 500 level and a law student, and then I also had to come for classes. So sometimes I have to come late to classes because I have to finish my lectures in school and then come. Overcoming it wasn't easy, but I have a very good tutor. So times when I don't catch up to what is happening in class, I can always call him or my other classmates, and then they teach me what they've learned. And then every single time I practice, maybe at night, I text him and then he guides me through. And when I make mistakes, he's just always there to guide me. So
What would have been a challenge was learning some Excel formulas. But our tutor made it so easy that, like, prior to each class, he gives us an assignment to what we are going to learn. So with that way of teaching and learning, it was so easy. Like, let's take if, for instance, the first time I heard if, he didn't teach us that day. He said go and research. So the next day when he was teaching if, it was as if I already knew about it all this while. So the challenging part was just the formulas, but how I overcame it, was going back to like read over and over again.
The challenges I had was coming from a background where I had no idea of data analysis. Everything was new to me. Obro EM or EN they used to, so it was not easy at first. But with the help of the tutor Iwe and the very conducive environment Iwe, I scaled through. It became very easy, although it wasn't as difficult as I thought it would be when I first started.
The most challenging part of the program was not knowing anything about data analyst.
The monthly stipend. Wow. In this country now, I didn't have to worry about transportation. I didn't have to even worry about money for data. I didn't have to like think about it because the money was, to me, it was a good sum of money, because who pays you 50K just to learn? Nobody does that. So it was so helpful. My transportation was sorted, like fully sorted. I could come to the office anytime I want because I had transport, and I could even take lunch, like good lunch, out of the money. So it was very helpful. Now coming to projects, we've worked on so many projects, and we are currently working on two now, which is red oil production. They are looking into packaging red oil, just like vegetable oil, in sealed can, to know how people will see it. So we are still working on it. Then the next one is Oyinje Motors, which is still part of the East Side Ventures. We are currently taking data. We used Google Form for the survey, and we are still taking data. So in case, whenever you hear this, please fill our form, fill our Google form.
It wasn't something I expected, even though I saw it during the application time, but I never knew they were serious about it until on the 2nd of June. I saw 50K in my account, and they said it's from Chief GAIUS CHIBUEZE, the person sponsoring our tech program. If not for God's grace, I would have fainted, but thank God I'm alive. During this period, I've done plenty projects and assignments, but the one I'm currently working on, or my team and I are currently working on, is the Onyije Motors and the Red Oil production packaging project.
Okay, like I said before, I am unemployed. So the monthly stipend helped me in transportation, in data, and then at some point, my laptop had issues. It was from there that I had to, without wasting time, without looking for money from elsewhere, rush Agambizia so that I could be able to follow in the practicals. And then the assignments, we've worked on so many assignments. Some didn't need us to go out there and research, as in some we just had to practicalize what we have been taught in class, like the dynamic dashboards, the Excel functions. There are so many of it.
All got a very long way. With the way Nigeria is, everybody knows that the economy is terrible and cost of transportation is very, very outrageous, especially here in Enugu. So the stipend went a long way, making sure now I be able without stress or financial stress. Or brought a problem for us any day, anytime. I know because I will a guy moto and the guy relaunch.
So during the training, our projects I can get on look at the ongoing now about Oyije Motors. So we are running the analysis for the company.
It helped with my transport because I come from Abani, so it helped a lot with my transport. A project we worked on was creating Google Sheet. So a Google Sheet is for analysis. So when a Google Sheet is made, probably for a particular project, people are asked a lot of questions. Currently we're working on the Onyije Motors analysis. So people are asked a lot of questions for a particular business or a startup, and then they answer these things. And when you get these answers on the Google Sheet, you can now take them to Excel and we do the analysis to make informed decisions.
The monthly stipend was very helpful. Transport and the feeding aspect, the transport aspect, and like when you reach home, the data you used to burn for the reading and the browsing of the assignment and the rest of them.
In the next 5 years, achọrọ m ịbụ nwada Ada Igbo ji eme ọnụ. I hope to be able to have worked for big tech companies like Microsoft, Google, Kedu, and this program, this scholarship has really helped me to shape this goal. Actually, by the next 5 years, not just me, people around me must have been impacted by me. And to do that, of course, the step starts with getting a tech skill, which this program enabled me the opportunity to start, because cost of getting tech skills in Nigeria is not cheap, but we are getting it here for free.
I used to see myself like in the next 5 years, maybe be out of this country and work as a psychologist. But right now, I think I have all it takes to like make it in Nigeria or any part of the country. I see myself deeply rooted in data analysis and doing the same thing that the boss is doing for me or has already done for me.
Now the training is ending. First of all, I tend to teach other people. I have like 2 persons already asking me to help them and guide them. At least the little I know, the more I teach, is the more I get more into the course. Okay, so this is what I'll do, and also we'll be put in our FAG area. So there we'll get more jobs and also be perfecting our craft. In the next 5 years, at least, I will be working for a very big company. Yeah, of course, we have Igbo Tech City Hub that we that we are building. Yes, we are building it. So obviously, I'll put my contribution in the company also.
Yes, after the class, my plan, first off, is to work for this man, Chief GAIUS CHIBUEZE. Yeah, we've learned that he's building a replica of the Silicon Valley. I would like to be one of his workers to be able to give back for as in the investment he made in us, teaching us, paying us to learn. Like, he's really literally paying me to make myself better. I would like to work for him. And then I would also like to be a kind of help to others, like where I was before the form came out. I didn't have any way of enrolling in one of these programs, but then because he made it free of charge for me, I was able to enroll. Now I'm going to try and do the same thing that he's done for me for others.
In the next 5 years, certainly I see myself as a lawyer and a data analyst. So this program has really helped with the data analysis aspect, in the sense that I get to do these 2 things together.
I advise you to apply. That's the most important thing. Follow Voice of the East on all platforms so that you will know where the application is on, and when you see it, apply. Finally, I would like to immensely appreciate the brain behind this opportunity, the muscle behind it all, Chief GAIUS CHIBUEZE, who we all know as Bitcoin Chief. Like I always tell people around me lately, I said that if Igbo land has up to 5 people that are like him, then in the next 1 to 5 years, Alibo will be competing with Dubai, because he has so many amazing projects and plans for Igbo land. And he's not just saying it, he doesn't just preach it. He preaches building Igbo land, and he actually puts in the work.
Okay, my advice to people considering to learn the paid to learn program, first of all, go and follow all our social media platforms at Voice of the East, so you'll be informed on when the forms are out, the links are out. Once you see the link, don't think it's maybe by connection, this will, how would they take people? You might be the lucky one. So just click on the link, fill it up, and follow all the instructions, and by God's grace, you'll be there. I just thank God for his life. With Chief, the world is a better place.
My advice to the younger ones coming up is, when you see these ads or applications for learning at the Igbo Tech City Hub, please do apply. It is real, it is interesting, you upgrade yourself, like it is everything that, and even more than those other ones you have to pay to go and learn from. I don't know how to say thank you, sir. Thank you for creating this kind of a platform that people like me could benefit from. I thank you so much. Not everybody has this mindset. Yes, not everybody has this mindset, and I am hoping that so many of us in the Igbo will follow in your footsteps?
Come and join the program. It's very good. It's challenging, but in a good way. You'd learn a lot. And I like the fact that the people I learned with, we became family. So nobody was left out. Everybody was just included. And we had a very good tutor. So just come. You'd learn a lot.